Hi, I'm Jim McLean. Congratulations on purchasing your swing speed, radar, and tempo timer. You now possess one of the most important tools ever created to help increase speed and build a repeatable, consistent swing. On this DVD, Build Distance and Consistency with Speed and Tempo, you will learn the proper way to care for your radar, how to use your radar, and I'll show you a few tips on how to build more speed into your swing and also a more repeatable, consistent swing by working on your tempo. Please read the instructions in the manual carefully to realize the full potential of the radar. If you use and care for your radar as described in the owner's manual, you should enjoy many, many hours of fun and constructive use with your radar.
The Swing Speed Radar with Tempo Timer is a small, inexpensive microwave Doppler radar velocity sensor that provides an instant measure of swing speed and tempo time for golfers of all ages and skill levels. It assists players in developing and optimizing their swing by measuring actual tempo time from club takeaway to ball impact, as well as the swing speed of the actual club head as it approaches the ball. The Swing Speed Radar and Tempo Timer, featuring simple one-button operation, provides unmatched utility in a single, affordable, portable device. Install 3 AA size batteries with the polarities shown in the battery compartment. When the radar is not in use, remove the batteries to prevent possible corrosive damage to the internal electronics. The radar has 3 modes of operation: measuring and displaying club head swing speed or tempo time, or the dual mode display of both swing speed and tempo time. Firmly press and release the function button directly below the display to turn on the radar. Also select mode and units by firmly pressing and releasing the function button. The default mode is swing speed, mile/hour units. Press function button again for swing speed displayed in kilometer units. Press function button again for tempo timer mode, displayed to 1/100th of a second. The tempo timer icon serves as the decimal point for tempo timer display. Be sure the ready icon and the last reading are displayed before starting the club takeaway. Press function button again to operate the dual mode. Be sure the ready icon and the last reading are displayed before starting the club takeaway. After a proper takeaway and forward swing, the display will alternate between swing speed and tempo time. Place the radar about 8 to 10 inches away from the ball, directly in line with the golfer and the ball. Orient the radar so that it's facing in the direction from which the club head is coming, at about a 45-degree angle relative to the club head swing path. In this position, the radar display can be conveniently seen by the golfer in the address position. Be sure that the radar is not so close to the ball that it might be hit by the club. To prevent the radar from being hit by a mishit ball off of the club head toe, be sure that the radar is not forward of the ball. Swing and continue swinging without the need to reset the radar, unless you want to change modes or units of swing speed measurement. When finished using the radar, turn it off by pressing the function button firmly until the display is extinguished. The radar will also turn itself off automatically after a 5-minute period of inactivity. Following the instructions in the owner's manual should result in trouble-free operation. You're now ready to use your swing speed radar and tempo timer. Diligently practice proper swing mechanics, use appropriate equipment, and monitor your swing improvement with immediate feedback from the Swing Speed Radar and Tempo Timer.